This procedure is just going to walk you through setting up a fax control and display board for a high power transmitter. I just physically installed the transmitter control and display board, and I logged into it with my GUI, and you can see here that I have a FaxHP transmitter. This is actually a Fax 20K. So what we're going to do is just basically reset the model, and we're going to put the serial number into the transmitter and load the EEPROM file back into the control and display board, which holds all of our calibrations. So the first task is going to be changing the model number. For Fax High Power, you need to do this through a telnet session. So I have a Windows 7 computer, and I enabled the telnet function here. So I just type in telnet, and then the IP address of the transmitter port that you're going into, and it'll take you to this screen and ask for a password. The password is admin, A-D-M-I-N, all lowercase, and it takes you to the first page of the telnet. To change the model number, there's a hidden button, letter M, so hit M as in mom, and it'll ask for the password. This is all lowercase Harris _ FAX, and hit enter. And it'll take you to this screen where you just type in the model number of the transmitter you have. So we want a Fax 20K, which is number 11, so I type in 11, hit enter. And you can see here at the bottom that my transmitter model changed to Fax 20K, which is good. Your serial number would probably come blank as from the if we shipped you a replacement. To change the serial number, it's really almost the same procedure. You just type in the letter H, then type in the password. It's the same one, Harris _ FAX, and then you can type in your serial number. This is truly just a alphanumeric place to type in your serial number. It doesn't change the way your transmitter operates in any way. But it is good to have that in case you ever need your serial number, electronically. You can look at it. So we have the model number and the serial number set, and that's good. So the faults and all that should be relevant now. What we do need to do is load our configuration file into the transmitter. So we need to do this through the web GUI. So you can go to System, then go to System Setup, Network, ISP. You'll need to log into the web GUI. This one's a little bit older, so it's admin, but it could be gates, depending on your vintage of transmitter. So we're looking for this EEPROM.S19 file. I saved it from the previous board, and the manual definitely encourages people to download that EEPROM file. But if you don't have it, give us a call at 217-222-8200, and we can see if we can look it up and send it to you. And that would be the EEPROM file from when it left the factory. So you just browse to your EEPROM file once you save it, and then you just upload it, and that will upload all the configurations and cal values from your previous transmitter. So that takes a little bit of time. It'll come up in a minute saying that I need to program that into the transmitter. So now we have, this is a newer generation one where it says transmitter only or transmitter and exciters. You definitely only want to program the transmitter because we're not trying to ship cal values to exciters right now. So transmitter only, and it'll push that. And rebooting, it's rebooting now as we speak. But one last thing that you might want to consider is if you are installing a new control and display board, that the software package matches your exciter. So if you have a fax exciter, the fax transmitter needs to be on the same vintage software. If you don't replace the micro module, then your software should come over with the micro module. But if you replace the control and display board and the micro module, you're going to have to look into software and make sure that you have the correct complement for your fax exciter. So we just rebooted. I think we should be good to go. If I turn it on, need to log in. That should be coming up to full power. Well, it looks like it's in good shape. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 217-222-8200. Thank you.